Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo G50-80. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your screen is flopping backwards on its own, it's likely due to a faulty hinge. This issue can worsen over time, potentially causing further damage to your screen or display. If left unaddressed, you may find your device becoming increasingly difficult to use, and it could even lead to a complete screen failure. To get started with the repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, replacement hinges, and a soft cloth to protect your device. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover using your plastic opening tool, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is off, locate the hinge assembly. You may need to remove several screws that hold it in place, so keep track of these screws as they may differ in size. Gently disconnect any cables that are attached to the hinge to avoid damage. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the screws and cables disconnected, you can now remove the faulty hinge. Replace it with a new hinge, ensuring it is securely in place and aligned correctly. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are secured properly to avoid any future issues. Replace the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. Be careful not to over-tighten as this could damage the components. Now, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured. Power on your device and check that the screen operates correctly, without flopping backwards. To prevent this issue from recurring, handle your laptop with care, avoiding excessive force when opening or closing the screen. Regularly check the hinges for loosening and address any issues promptly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.